We are at home cooking with msbrendadee. So welcome from msbrendadee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making some old-fashioned rutabagas, y'all, and here are our ingredients. Here I am preparing my rutabaga. I have chopped up some in a bowl, and I wanted to show y'all how I peel mine. What I do, I chop off both ends of my rutabaga. And then I peel it just as I would peel an apple. You just keep going around until you get the peel off. Okay? Be very careful with the knife. Okay, this is how I cut mine up. Be very careful with the knife. What I do is I just slice it as so, down the middle. Then I start cutting it the opposite way. Don't worry about cutting them up wrong. There is no perfect way to cut them. Just cut them best as you can. Since we have chopped up all our rutabagas, now let's get to cooking. Okay, first of all, I have a little bacon drippings right here that I'm adding maybe a tablespoon. I'm getting ready to fry up my salt pork. Here I'm showing y'all a bag of salt pork that I purchased in Houston when I was down visiting my daughter, and I was so surprised I found it like this, but I got it at a really good price. Okay, here I'm showing y'all the salt pork that I have sliced up. And I'm going to slice one more piece just to show y'all how it's done. Here I'm adding my meat to my pot. I'm going to fry this up until it gets almost crispy. Oh yeah, another thing I was into to tell y'all, if you don't want to use this salt pork, you can also use smoked turkey meat. You can put a smoked turkey leg in a pot, and boil it until it gets done, gets tender, and then add your rutabagas, and this will make it an amazing dish as well. So you do not have to use only pork. Here I'm adding my rutabagas to my pot. Here I'm adding some black pepper. I'm not going to add my salt just yet. Now I'm adding water. I'm just adding enough to cover my rutabagas. Here I'm waiting on my rutabagas to start boiling. Okay, since they have started boiling, I'm going to turn my heat down to a medium heat. And so now I'm covering them. Here I have let my rutabaga cook for 35 minutes. And so I'm going to check them to see if they are ready. Okay, all you do is just put your fork through it to see if it's ready. Most of the time when your fork goes through them, they are ready. It depends on how big you have chopped up your rutabagas, but it doesn't take a long time for them to cook. See, as you see, the fork is going through them, so they are ready. Here what I'm doing is I'm getting ready to taste my rutabaga to see if it's seasoned. Now is the time to season your rutabagas. You add a little salt and black pepper if you prefer. I don't use any other seasoning besides the salt and black pepper because I like the natural flavor of my rutabagas. Here I'm adding some salt. You stir them around to make sure they're seasoned evenly. And then you taste them again. Now my rutabagas are seasoned. So now they are ready to be served. I'm going to be back with the final result. Hey y'all, I am back. I've been having a taste for these rutabagas, y'all. I am so excited to eat me a bowl of them. Y'all, I love rutabagas. I grew up on them. I remember my mother making them. These can be served with just cornbread, y'all. I just love eating them with cornbread, but you can add like a meat and another vegetable or something with them. But I really enjoy these just with a slice of cornbread will do me fine. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. I want to welcome all my new viewers and subscribers. Just want to say welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Like always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
At home cooking with Miss Brendadee. So welcome from Miss Brendadee and her family.